Morning students, in previous class I had told you how to write a numeral in Roman numeral. Right? How to write a number in Roman numeral. रोमन अंक के बारे में मैंने पिछले क्लास कक्षा में बताया था और आई होप दैट you can solve the all questions of exercise 1.6 and some objective questions are given after the exercise. After exercise 1.6 some objective questions are given which is very important for you, so I advise you to solve the all questions from objective. Mark the most appropriate answer. The sum of the place value of the threes in 4, 3, 8, 3, 3, 1. Objective questions. Objective questions. Objective question. First number question. Mark the most appropriate answer. उचित उत्तर को चिन्हित करें. मार्क द मोस्ट सबसे उपयुक्त उत्तर को चिन्हित करें. मार्क द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट First number, the sum of the place values of 3 in the sum of the place value of sum of place values of the threes in 4, 3, 8, 3, 3, 1 is. Here we see that there are 3 threes. There are total number of 3 in question number 1. Question number 1 is 3, 3, 3. Place value of 3 from right. Place value of first 3 from right is equal to 3, 30. Place value of second 3 from right is equal to 300, and the place value of third 3 from right is equal to, it is in the position of 1000, so the place value of 3 is is 3000. Adding all the place, sum of the place values of 3. इसमें sum is equal to 30 plus 300 plus 3000 is equal to 0, 3, 3 and 3, 333. So the appropriate answer of this question is 0, 3, 3, 3. Sum is equal to 30 plus 300 plus 3000 is equal to 3330. So the sum of the place value of the 3 in 43833 is equal to 30, 300, 300 and 3000. Adding all these, total sum is equal to 3330. Answer गलत. Mark the most appropriate answer. The sum of the place value of 3 in 438,331 is place value of first 3 from right. दाएं से पहले 3 का स्थानीय मान बराबर 30 and the place value of second 3 from right is equal to 300 and the place value of third 3 from right is equal to 3000. Adding all these, the appropriate sum is equal to 30330. So the answer will be C number answer. And the second question, the product of the place value of 5 in 235652. I hope that similarly you can solve this question, 2 number question, and I am going to solve question number 3. In question number 2, we have to find